Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to configure Python in Visual Studio Code. So this one involves setting up the Python extension and optionally configuring Python interpreter in other settings. Now to get started, you'll just need to install Visual Studio Code first. So if you haven't, just visit their official website onto your local browser. Just search in their Visual Studio Code. So just find in your device that you're using and install it completely. Then right after, you'll just need to launch it, and the first thing that we need to do is install the Python extension. Just head here onto the left side. You should be able to find an extensions for that one and search onto the search bar Python. So as you can see, we have the one in here. Click onto this one, and this one is already installed onto your device. So just make sure that this one is installed already onto your end. And then right after, just make sure as well that the Python is also installed not just on Visual Studio Code, but onto your system. So if you haven't yet, just go ahead and visit python.org or this specific website to go ahead and download the latest version for Windows or your other operating system. So just click onto download for that, and then you'll just need to follow in the prompts to go ahead and completely install this onto your system. Now head back onto Visual Studio Code. Once you have gone ahead and finished this one, you could go ahead and also configure your Python interpreter. So I have here a sample Python code. So let's head here onto my projects. And as you can see, the simple hello world code that I have in here, for us to be able to choose in an interpreter, just click onto the bottom part in here wherein you could see the version of Python that you're using. So if you click onto that, you could create a virtual environment or enter the interpreter path. So just choose wherever you like, and we're going to choose this one since this one is the recommended. Now you could also set the Python path for this one. If your Visual Studio Code cannot automatically detect your Python installation, you may need to set it manually. So just need to go ahead and click onto this gear icon onto the bottom part, click onto settings in here, and then right after, you'll just need to go ahead and search here onto the search bar, the Python path. So just search it just like that, and you should be able to find in the different settings that you could go ahead and change in here. So we have the interpreter path in here. You could go ahead and just change this as per your liking. Now right after, for us to be able to run in the code that we have in here, the sample code, we're just going to click onto this plus icon in here to go ahead and print this code. That is just basically it, how you configure a Python in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.